Today we're here to provide insights into the current manufacturing landscape in Arizona.
This is how the regions are distributed. Now, the significant thing is in the last year, Arizona has become one of the 5 manufacturing hubs of the United States. That's significant.
Business Journal is extremely proud to be able to share a lot of the stories and so many surrounding manufacturing and the companies that are coming here as a result of the work of the Arizona Commerce Authority. And with that, I'd like to acknowledge Robert Theobald, who connected me to the organization here for us to become a sponsor here today, and then of course Jane for her organization and execution of the event too. So let's give them a round of applause.
How many people are here from small businesses this morning? All right. How about women in manufacturing? Oh, yay, nice group.
Post having my first child, a daughter, I started looking at my career and thinking, what if Evie follows in my path? Would I be proud of the factory that I leave behind her when she is old enough to choose a career path? And I thought to myself, I don't know. I don't know if what I'm leaving behind right now is what I want for her to be stepping into. And that's very targeted for me because I started on the shop floor. The path wasn't particularly easy. So when I found WIM, I was really excited about it because I thought to myself, this is an excellent place for me to help promote and grow what it is to be female in manufacturing.
We had 3 high school juniors, girls, all friends, attend our Gateway open house in May, who all said they just love figuring out how things are made. And they love even more learning how to dig in and make them themselves. So they were excited to stand in front of a CNC lathe and watch parts being machined from a simple piece of aluminum to a precisely finished part. So I'm a grandpa, and to me, the look in their eyes and their enthusiasm was magical. And we must never turn away from the opportunity to lift up people with such excitement, creativity, and the desire to do something truly special and help them discover the impact this can have on their futures.
Just like a lot of people in this room that are either thinking about getting into business, small business, the founders thought, well, all that rain, all that hail, created a lot of damage for buildings in the area, and they thought, well, it's a perfect time to get into the business of manufacturing a roofing material that actually would survive and thrive in those kinds of harsh conditions. That's how things happen. You get exposed and you get a good idea, and then you think, oh, we can do this.
Our mission statement is very simple: to make every Arizona manufacturer be the best they can be. And that's all we're out there doing. We are constantly meeting with manufacturers and trying to assist with the problems they're having. John's presentation was all about these things that companies need to be looking into, how to help them, succeed. And where we come in, we're actually providing those resources.
My favorite part of the job is helping, figuring out how we can help and doing so.
SCORE was started in 1964. Today, we have over 10,000 volunteers serving in over 1,500 communities. It is an unbelievable organization.
If you don't reach out to SCORE, you are not taking advantage of a resource that's available to you, that's available to you for free, that can help you be successful.